What's up guys, Shahbaz here. Today we are talking about 10 reasons for not to purchase Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now let's dwell on the negative points that may push you away from the purchase. We will analyze all the components of the negative. Reason 1. The price of the model is $1,400 and more. Perhaps the key point against this model is its cost. Even taking into account discounts, possible promotions, it will still cost more than $1,400 during the year. For those who are not familiar with the Ultra series, the cost will be the most serious argument against buying such an expensive device and not being sure that it will fit you 100%. That's still a problem. Reason number 2. Base memory. Savings for a flagship. Last year Galaxy S21 Ultra had a 12GB of RAM and 128GB base variant. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of flash memory. This does not affect performance, but I would like to see exactly the same amount of memory as before. The price of Ultra will become even a little less attractive. The model is expensive. Reason number 3. SIM card slot and microphone. It is not often necessary to install a SIM card, but in this device, the microphone and SIM card tray connectors are located side by side. They can be accidentally mixed up. The result will be that you push through one of the 3 microphones, and perhaps such an arrangement of a microphone or a tray has no explanation. Reason number 4. A familiar set of cameras for Ultra. A different photography experience. For the first time users of Ultra, one of the unusual moments in the set of cameras. In particular, the main module with 108 megapixels. Like any camera, this module has both pluses and minuses. It is very different in prescription from other models in the line, both current and previous. It may take you some time to relearn. On the other hand, this only applies to those who take pictures, not just by pressing a button. And here the question arises, how much time are you willing to spend to learn how to squeeze the maximum out of the cameras? Someone is ready, someone is not. Hence the prescription of the Ultra and its capabilities in the field of photography. Reason number 5. No memory cards. It will not tire of repeating that the refusal of memory card was a mistake for the Galaxy line. Repeating what Apple is doing does not make sense. Hence this point. Memory cards are an inexpensive way to increase storage capacity, but the company is trying to sell the largest amount of memory, earn more, which is understandable. But for users, this is a serious disadvantage. Reason number 6. Flagship without charger included. Buying a device for $1,400, one would expect that there would be a charger in the kit. But just like in the iPhone, it is not here. And this is another minus. Reason number 7. Lowering the processor frequency in heavy games. The version on Exynos 2200. The processor is not bad and plus out almost everything and always. You can see this in the picture, but if you do not play such games, then you can safely forget about it. Reason number 8. Dimensions and weight. I know women who use previous generation Ultra with easy and do not complain about it. They give a large screen area, with a comparable or smaller sizes. In a word, if large smartphones are not for you, then this model will not satisfy you in any way because this is a male version. Reason number 9. The display is curved. Yes, the screen has a curve. It is small and nicely distinguishes the device from the outside. In a word, it is difficult to complain about the band, but someone has a prejudice against it. Look at the usual S22. There is no bend and the case is rectangular. In a word, perhaps this solution is more suitable for you. And finally, reason number 10. The combination of two models. In previous years, Samsung has launched the Galaxy S series and Galaxy Note series. And with these series, everyone was so happy. This is the year Samsung has cancelled the Galaxy Note series and launched the new Galaxy S22 Ultra with Galaxy Note features. Some people like only S series features, and some people want only the Galaxy Note line. Samsung must go back and change its decision for next year. So these are the 10 reasons not to buy Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra this year. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and comment below the video. For more tech news and updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.